It works.
You wanna see how I made one of these? Watch this video and I'll show you what I did. Well, it's a pretty simple design. I used the online calculator for the basic dimensions. Copper pipes. I used a quite robust 22 mil diameter. Cut it up, soldered everything as per plan. Attach the matching section and the adjustment section and the anchor point, which I just temporarily popped with some tape to adjust it. And how we adjust it, you'll have a look quite soon. First, I started with all of this fully in and the matching section all the way down. Then I had a look at the SWR meter on my VNA and it showed me that my frequency is off on the right side. I mean, the dip is on the right side. That means that the matching stub is too short. So I elongated it until I got a dip in the middle of my desired section, and that was at 145 megahertz. Then the SVR was too high, and then this matching section comes into place, and then I started rising it up to get the minimum SWR. Okay, we adjusted the SVR at the beginning of the band 144 megahertz, and let's see how it goes for the center of the band 145. It's 1.3 aroundish, and top of the band 146. It's a bit lower than in the center, but yeah, upper side of the band looks a lot better, but this is still quite acceptable. Now, we did this by elongating the stub to make a better match, and then adjusting the feed point over here. Now all I have to do is solder it all together and test it on a simplex, and this should look quite okay. The stub is getting a lot closer to the half wave than the quarter, but this is how it's done and it works. We'll see if it works. Devet Alfa 6 NTK, 9 Alfa 1 Papa Eko Tango.
9 A1 Papa Eko Tango, 9 A6 November Tango Kilo, pozdrav Tomo, jel ide ovo?
Ide, S9 plus si mi, tako da odlično, evo testirali smo i ovo čudo i radi jotica bez problema.
Ide, radi, imaš dvije S jedinice, malo u pozadini šuma, ali sve 100% upotrebljivo.
A šum je normalan za ove jeftine Quanshengove, evo 5 vata da dobaci 20 km, to je milina,
Ma ideš odlično, za tu snagu to je super.
Odlično, hvala ti lijepa za pomoć, evo još sam s tobom probao, ide i preko brda prema Baniji, tako da srce mi je na mjestu. Hvala ti puno i 7-3.
Može, svako dobro, pozdrav 7-3.
It works.